Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how do you add friends on Revolut. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up your Revolut application. So log into your account once you've launched your application. So once you're logged in, then what you have to do now is you're going to hit the transfer tab here underneath. So next to the home you'll see a transfer tab. So click on the transfer tab. So here what you can do, you can straight away add your friends from your contact list on your phone. So you can either do that, so you can just you just have to click on enable contact permission, so that will add contacts from your phone. So your whoever your friends are on your contacts, so they will just add it. Or else what you can do, you can manually just click on your top right here, you have these new options, so click on it. All right, and then select under add new you can select contact, and then all you have to do is just type in your friend's name, and then you can use either their phone number or email address, whatever that you want to, so that you want to add. So you can just choose any of these, and then once done, so all you have to do is click on add, and that's it. So now you have contact has been added, so you have added your friends. So what you have to do is you can now make any transaction, or you can do like send or request money and those things. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you guys in another video. Thank you.